Being broke is not just stressful, it is expensive. For millions of people, poverty comes with a hidden price tag that never stops rising. At first, it looks like simple bad luck. Why does the same life cost more for some people than for others? Why does every small problem seem to turn into a bigger one? When money is tight, everything gets more expensive. You cannot buy in bulk, so you pay more for groceries. You cannot afford preventive car repairs, so a small issue becomes a breakdown, a tow truck, and a bill you were never ready for. You miss one payment, and suddenly the bank adds a fee far bigger than the original mistake. A $5 mistake can become a $35 punishment. That is how the system traps people who already have the least room to breathe. Credit works the same way. People with strong credit get lower rates. People with weak credit get charged much more for the same car, the same loan, the same chance to keep moving. The less money you have, the more the system charges you for needing it. And then there is housing. Rent takes the biggest share of the paycheck, leaving almost nothing to save. Homeowners build equity. Renters build pressure. For many families, saving for a down payment feels impossible because survival eats the income first. This is the poverty premium. It is the silent tax on being broke. The poor buy cheaper things that wear out faster. They pay more for repairs, more for fees, more for financing, more for time, more for stress. And over the years, that difference becomes enormous. Poverty does not just drain money. It drains time, energy, and mental space. When every day is about surviving, long-term thinking gets harder. That is why poor financial choices are not always simple stupidity. Sometimes they are pressure. Sometimes they are fear. Sometimes they are the only option left. The real escape is not a sudden jackpot. It is a buffer. Even the first small emergency fund can change everything. Because once you stop every crisis from becoming a disaster, you finally get room to breathe. And for someone living on the edge, that breathing room is everything.